On Wednesday, June 5th, 2024, at 10:52 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, two NASA astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Sonny Williams, launched on a Boeing Starliner bound for the International Space Station. This launch was a part of NASA's Boeing crew flight test atop an Atlas V rocket from the Space Launch Complex 41 in Florida. It was an end-to-end test of Starliner systems. Butch, Sonny, and Starliner autonomously docked to the forward-facing port of the station's Harmony module on Thursday, June 6th, and planned to remain docked to the orbiting laboratory for about a week. After a large array of problems from random pulsating sounds in Starliner's speakers to problems with some of the critical 28 RCS thrusters, it was decided to send Starliner home uncrewed. After NASA and Boeing teams carefully assessed their options, it was ultimately decided to send Crew 9 up with only 2 seats occupied for Butch and Sonny to return home aside them. Launch took place at 1:17 p.m. Eastern Time on September 28, 2024, marking the first ever human launch from Space Launch Complex 41 in Florida. NASA granted Space Report News exclusive access to speak with Crew 9 as they prepared to head home. Here's one of the questions that we asked.
Our next question is from Marvin Marshall with Space Report News.
Hi, good morning, Crew 9. I'm Marvin Marshall from the Space Report News, a small independent outlet. I first want to thank you all for the sacrifice that you guys make for the betterment of humanity on a daily basis. My question's for all three of you. What are some fun items that you guys pack to take on your mission? And Butch and Sonny, were you guys able to get any extra, fun personal items up there? And thank you guys all again. It's an honor to speak with you, and safe travels home.
Okay, some fun stuff. I actually brought a card game. I didn't think it would work, but I actually got all the crew members to play a game up here, so that was a lot of fun.
One fun thing I brought up was some sheet music of the Space Force song. I'm still active duty Space Force, and this was a way to connect with my service.
We have naval aviator wings, naval aviator pilot wings, and you have the astronaut symbol in the center. It makes it naval aviator astronaut pilot wings. And I had a couple of those made in gold and then curled into a ring. And I brought them for my dad, my brother, a lady that did all of our scheduling, Michelle Beaujolais. I had previous missions. I brought them up for my daughters and for my wife as well. So those are special. Something special to me are those wings. A lot of trial and effort. Not just me, but my whole family and others put a lot into getting those wings, and so they mean a lot. So to be able to give those gifts back when we get back is a special thing.
As for getting back, Butch and Sonny are currently scheduled to return home in the coming weeks aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule. Crew 10 is scheduled to launch net mid-March with a few days in between to help with handovers, and then, at last, they will be on their way home. What a historic mission. I seriously don't think there'll ever be one like this again. The question everybody is asking, why fund Boeing? Well, for the obvious reasons.